is a primary ingredient for the ginger burger patty. Ginger and garlic paste are essential for flavoring the ginger burger patty. Green chili, red chili powder, salt, and black pepper powder contribute to the spicy flavor profile. Breadcrumbs act as a binding agent in the ginger burger patty. An egg is used to bind the ingredients together in the ginger burger patty. Chicken mince is the primary ingredient for the mixture. Ginger and garlic pastes are added to the chicken mince to enhance the flavor profile. Green chili is incorporated to introduce a spicy element to the mixture. Various spices are blended into the mixture to create a complex taste. An egg is cracked into the mixture to act as a binding agent. Breadcrumbs are mixed in to provide texture and structure to the final product. The mixture is formed into individual patties. Maintaining a uniform shape and size is crucial for consistent cooking. Consiste pâté dimension, ensure even heat distribution during cooking. Uniform patties contribute to predictable cooking times and optimal flavor. Lightly oiling the patties ensures even cooking and prevents sticking to the pan or grill. Cooking patties on a pan or grill requires moderate heat for optimal browning and internal doneness. Achieving a golden brown color on both sides indicates proper caramelization and flavor development. Even cooking ensures the patty is thoroughly cooked without burning the exterior. Consistent monitoring and flipping are essential for achieving uniform cooking on both sides of the patty. Burger buns are toasted to enhance their texture. Toasting creates a crispy outer layer on the burger bun. Light toasting ensures the buns are warmed without becoming burnt. The toasting process changes the bun's structural integrity. The bottom bun of a sandwich is prepared as the base for ingredients. Mayonnaise is applied to the surface of the bottom bun. Even distribution of mayonnaise ensures consistent flavor in every bite. The mayonnaise acts as a moisture barrier, preventing the bun from becoming soggy. Spreading mayonnaise evenly contributes to the overall taste and texture balance of the sandwich. Proper mayonnaise application enhances the sandwich eating experience. The base of the burger begins with the bottom bun, providing a stable foundation for subsequent layers. Next, salad leaves are carefully layered onto the bottom bun, adding freshness and a crisp texture. A ginger chicken patty is then placed atop the salad leaves, introducing a savory and substantial element. A slice of cheese is layered over the ginger chicken patty, contributing a creamy and rich flavor. Tomato slices are added next, providing moisture and a tangy sweetness to the burger. Finally, onion slices are layered on top, adding a sharp and pungent flavor to complete the burger. Ketchup is being spread on the top bun. The vibrant red of the ketchup creates a visual contrast against the pale yellow bun. The smooth, wet texture of the ketchup contrasts with the soft, porous texture of the bun. Even distribution of ketchup ensures consistent flavor in every bite. The final step involves placing the top bun to complete the burger assembly. The assembled ginger burger is now ready to be served. The layered construction of the burger ensures a balanced flavor profile. Fresh ingredients are essential for creating a high-quality burger. Proper assembly techniques enhance the overall eating experience.